Super slime simulator. Try to say that 10 times fast. Super slime simulator. Can't even say it once. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn, and today I'm going to be doing a what's on my iPhone XR video. So I wasn't really going to do this video because I didn't want to come off braggy, like, oh, look at what's on my iPhone, But I didn't want it to come out like that, but a lot of you have been requesting it, so I'll just do it then. So this is my iPhone XR. I got this for my birthday, but my mom and dad didn't just let me have it. I had to write a 500-word essay explaining why I really needed the phone. And it's also because I'm going to a lot of more friends' houses and I have a lot of after-school activities, so it's really just to keep in contact with my parents while I'm not with them. So this is the case I got for Christmas. I love it so much. It's beautiful and it's really easy to take off. And I also just have the white, I don't know why that flash is on. I also just have the white iPhone XR. So let's just get into it. So first things first, this is my screensaver. It's just a lamp, but the thing is, it's supposed to be like a story for some reason. Then that lights the way. I don't really know, but I think it's cute. So I just have the basic apps on the first screen, but if you guys are crazy about your apps being organized, mine are not. They're just scrambled around and really random. So yeah, I have apps that already come with it, but I have Spotify, YouTube, and some other 2 games. One is like a coloring app, and one I don't really play anymore. I gotta delete that. I don't even play it. I passed all the levels already. On the second screen, we have a few more apps that come with the phone, but then we also have tons and tons of games. If you guys are wondering, my mom doesn't let me have social media on my phone. It's actually on her phone, like Snapchat or Instagram, because she just doesn't want me on it yet. And when I want to post something on Instagram, I gotta go to her phone and ask her, and then she said has to watch me everything I do and everything I post. It's just for safety. Don't think she's a crazy person. She's keeping me safe. So most of my favorite games are on this screen. I have like Pinches. I have a really fun slime game. I actually want to show you these because it's kind of cool. It's Super Slime Simulator. And you hear that? Look at this. Isn't that cool? And you can make your own slime. This is how you make the slime. This is a bowl you can pick. I'm going to pick this one. And I think I love this because it's just so satisfying. Just choose a red color, as you can see here. And then you just mix that in. This kind of looks really cool already, but I didn't even add in. And then you can add lots of stuff in. Add that, and I have to pick. I'm going to pick this color. It's good. And then you just mix that in. I love the plopping sound. It's kind of funny. And then you're done. You can name it, but I don't really have a name for this, so I'm just going to skip that part. Pick it. And then original slime. I love this game so much. So that game is super fun. If it like just feels like you're actually touching slime. I think it's really good for kids that can't really actually have real slime. This is a perfect game to get because you can make your own and it actually feels like you're touching slime. So I have another really fun game. It's called Tome. But I don't really know how to say it. It's like T-O-M-T, Tome. But it's super fun to play. The levels get really challenging, so I kind of just gave up for a little bit, but then I went back to it. It's a fun game if you just want to pass the time. So I'm on level 38, but these games is so difficult. Oh, that's loud. Ooh. It's so complicated. You don't have to get all the dots, but I just like to not have one dot missing because I like to have it all clear. Then I have a couple more apps. I have Paper.io, I have Light It Up, and I really want to show you this game. It's called Flips Trickster. And it has to be like this, but it's so fun to play. I've been obsessed with this game for so long. Let me just go to level 1 on this. So you kind of just tap, flip. I tried to show my mom this game and she was so confused. She was like, it was funny. She just went backwards and she's like, that's not fair. But I really loved showing her it. So I have a lot of more games, so I'm just gonna name them here. I have Police Spear, Slices, Swing Star, Piano Tiles 2, and I have Snowball.io, which I don't really play, and Crowd City, that is in their own little land on the last screen. Those are games that I don't play, so I just put them in the back. And I also have the Live Justice app, and this app is really cool, and since I'm a girl with heart, I sometimes post on it. The really cool thing is that you can make wish lists, and you can send them to your family and be like, hey, I want these things for my birthday, and I think that's a really cool tool they added. Another thing I have on here is, what happened there? I could not speak. But I have a photo editing app because I like to take and edit photos. So these are all the ones I have. I have Briller, which actually makes sparkles with lights. I also have Facetune too, but I just use Facetune to play around with my friends and we just go ham on all of them and it looks really funny in the end. I also have a Color Story, which just has more filters and some more effects, and Vapor Cam just to add fun things on your pictures. So I don't really have a lot of things on my phone. That's kind of it. Didn't really want to make this video because I don't have a lot of things like I just said, but you did get some good options for games. Pretty good games, I guess. You should definitely get that slime app. I think it's so fun. It's called Super Slime Simulator. Super Slime Simulator. Try to say that 10 times fast. Super Slime Simulator. Can't even say it once. Okay guys, so that is everything that's on my iPhone XR. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye, love you. And comment down below what's your favorite game to play on a device you have.